This is a folding arm awning. Now this is top of the range, Arafura folding arm awning. That's going to come out and give us that shaded outdoor area that the kids can play in. You can entertain out there, and we can go out for 4 metres.
4 metres?
Does that do a pretty good job for covering your area?
You know what? Our pool fence is at 5. So that pretty much covers the entire patio. That's fantastic.
Are we able to make these black like the windows?
100%. So all the framing can be powder coated, and we can absolutely do black. We motorise them.
Yeah, oh, for sure.
It's going to have a motion sensor on it, so that if the wind gets to a certain level, the awnings will put themselves away.
Colour department.
Let's have a look at fabrics, guys. Acrylic fabric is a very soft. It is it's a man-made fibre.
Yeah.
It's soft, it's translucent. Yeah. So this is always going to be allowing light to come through. Yeah. But the nature of the fabric, it's going to protect you from UV 100%. There's lots of different colour options here.
You wanted something dramatic. Yeah. All right.
Bang, done.
Done.
Beautiful.
Well, I think we've done all right.
I think, and in good time.
Interior, exterior, blinds. We've got insulation. We're 90% recycled. All very earthy. Couldn't be happier.
It feels good.